Don't put your loved ones at risk. In the event of a catastrophic power loss, whether your Tesla is in an accident or it loses power, only the front passengers are going to be able to get out. Because we have an automatic door latch handle that we can easily access and pull. Yes, it may cause the window to break, but in an emergency, you don't care. You want to be able to get out. If there's a fire, if there's something catastrophic that has happened, you want to be able to get out of here right quick. But the people in the back, they're in a completely different scenario. They don't have access to the easy pull handles on the door. It's well recessed and well hidden, but it's still there. They have to access the emergency door latch from the bottom of the door panel. And the problem is, even with a screwdriver, I had a hard time getting it open. So imagine in an emergency how it is that a passenger possibly get that little latch opened up and then pull on the tab in order to release the door in an emergency fashion. It just won't happen. It would be a complete nightmare scenario. And for $8, I'm talking about $8, you could literally save a family or a loved one's life with this tip. Don't pass it over, don't pass it by, don't ignore it. It's a very important safety feature that you need to add into the Tesla right this minute. And so I've got to go ahead and put the link in the description. Look, I've been accused of putting affiliate links in our videos and trying to get rich, but I'm not trying to get rich, guys. It's $8. And so I don't sell them. I just want you to have access to them. So the link is in the description. Make sure you check it and follow along. I'm going to show you how to install those. It's a lot easier than you think. Well, there was a couple of hiccups, but ultimately it's a lot easier than you think, and it's probably one of the most important safety things that's missing in a Tesla that you can add to make sure your family is safe. Now, in the unlikely event that your vehicle, your Tesla, has a sudden and catastrophic loss of power, albeit in an accident or whatever, the front passengers are able to escape no problem. The doors, typically, they won't release unless you use the manual release in the front. In the back, however, the manual releases are so hidden and so difficult to reach that the people in the rear may not be able to escape. And this is one of the reasons why I think this is one of the most important accessories that you've never thought of when purchasing a Tesla. This is a 2022 Model Y Performance, and I'm going to go ahead and add those accessories to the doors, allowing passengers in an emergency to escape without having any second thoughts. At this point, before the latches are installed, I have to brief people on the realities of getting out of the car if there was an emergency. I have to tell them there's no getting out of the back. You'll have to climb over the front in an emergency. But the fact is what if the front doors are damaged so severely that you can't get out of the front? How do you open the back? And this is why it's so vital and so important to make sure that your rear passengers, which usually carry your most precious cargo, can get out safely without any problems. And so this is going to show you exactly how to get that done and how to install those door latch handles. See, in the front, there's no problem. If there's no power, I just pull on this right here and I can get out no problem. But in the back, it's hidden right in the door, and so it's impossible to open. It's so tight. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna change that right now. Just gonna pull out the rubber base here that I've got. It's just a accessory, right? Rubber base accessory. It's hard to do, I'm telling you. Let's see if I can't get these out. I need probably, I've got a screwdriver here and I don't even know if I can pop this open. In an emergency, you'd be frigged. Well, I got an end of a screwdriver. Oh, I think I got it. Okay. All right. So, not come off, but this white thing is the emergency latch cable, and you're supposed to pull on that in case of an emergency. How are you going to think to pull that off, right? So you can tell that in a split second, you're not going to think about popping that cover off because your fingernails won't work, and then finding that cable all the way underneath there and pulling it. In an emergency, you want to be able to get out and get out quickly. With the way it's set up right now, it's just not possible. So what we have to do then is we have to attach the emergency strap pull cord to what is there already and allow it to protrude out so that in an emergency, it's quickly accessible. You just pull on it and the door opens. That's terrible. So we're gonna have to go ahead and have to cut off some of this rubber. There it is. I'm gonna just pull this off all together. There's the cable. Wow. So now we gotta latch these pieces on. Gonna have to take this piece, create the hook. All right, bring it in. I have to latch it on. Got to open it up and latch it on. So I'm gonna have to let go of the camera here so that I can latch this on, I think. Hold on. Let's see if I can do it with... It's a spring mounted, so let me push this. Okay, what I've done here is I've just pushed this back just so I can do it with one hand. There. I pulled it back and it creates kind of a hook, and then I'll move it in. So it creates kind of a hook. Okay, I've got it hooked in. I'm gonna be able to put the mechanism back on it. There you go. Now I've got it hooked in. I'm gonna go ahead and push on it regardless. Well, it's close. Okay, it's latched in, and this is now hanging out. Okay, so it is in there. You can see that. Now I'm just gonna install my door accessory back on the top of it. Okay, so now I've still got my interior, and then I've got the emergency cord. It's in there, and it's going to be functional. If I need to, I can pull on that thing and that door will open. Now, I've got those installed now finally, and it's a breath of fresh air for me. I can relax now. Believe it or not, I actually brief all of the passengers in the rear where those tabs are so that they know that in the case of an emergency, all they have to do is reach down and pull that yellow tab, and that will pop the door open and they can get out safely. Because in the case of a catastrophic power loss where the battery is completely drained and gone, those door buttons won't work and they're going to be stuck. And you do not want to be stuck in a vehicle that has been disabled. And so this is one of the best top safety features. Elon, I'm not sure why you don't do this already. Cosmetically, we don't care. We just want to make sure that the vehicle is safe for us to get out of. You can have access to this door latch and pull yourself out safely with these little tabs. And again, link is in the description. Guys, I really appreciate you watching. I really wish that every person who was watching the video would hit that subscribe button. We're trying to make our way over to 1,000 subscribers, and I think we're well about halfway there as of right now. And if everybody who watched the video, it's completely free, it doesn't cost you anything. If everybody who watched the video would hit that subscribe button, we would certainly reach our goal. Guys, I really appreciate it. I hope that you stay safe. Enjoy your Teslas. They're amazing cars, and we'll see you on the next one.